कर्नाटक में उपचुनावों और सत्ता की खींचतान पर बीजेपी विधायक बी.वाई. विजेंद्र ने कहा, 5 राज्यों में चुनावों की घोषणा हो चुकी है और मेरा मानना है कि नतीजे आने के बाद हम कर्नाटक की राजनीति में बड़े बदलाव देखेंगे। दावणगेरे दक्षिण और बागलकोट विधानसभा सीटों के लिए उपचुनावों की घोषणा पहले ही हो चुकी है और बीजेपी ने दोनों सीटों के लिए अपने उम्मीदवारों के नामों का ऐलान कर दिया है।
Apart from 5 state elections, by-elections in Davangere South as well as Bagalkot Assembly constituency, these by-elections are already been announced. BJP already released the name of candidates for these 2 constituencies. Looking at the anti-incumbency which the present Congress government is facing, people are fed up with this anti-poor, anti-development Congress government. So people are really fed up, poor are upset with this, farmers are in crisis, youths, they are against this Congress government. So I strongly feel because of this severe anti-incumbency and anti-people policies of the Congress government, Siddaramaiah government, people, voters of both the constituency, Davangere South as well as Bagalkot, I am 100% confident they will bless BJP and BJP will emerge victorious. Thank you.
Will there be changes after the election results in Karnataka? There is a power sharing tussle is going on in Karnataka government.
Power tussle, internal bickerings have reached the climax stage. If the by-elections were not been announced, probably immediately after the assembly session, it would have reached the final stage. Probably because of this by-elections, it will get postponed by 15 days. But looking at the crisis within the Congress government, I think change in chief ministership is inevitable. Thank you.
Sir, on Indian foreign policy.